The number of coronavirus cases worldwide has surpassed 30 million. That figure has doubled from 15 million in less than 60 days. 1 in 7 cases reported to the World Health Organization has been a health worker. The US is still the worst hit country, followed by India and Brazil. But there's growing concern for the situation across Europe. The World Health Organization says there's been an alarming rise in transmission there, with weekly cases now exceeding those reported at the peak of the pandemic. Europe correspondent Samantha Hawley reports from London.
As the pandemic surges again in Europe, Marseille is the worst affected French region. Once again, COVID-19 patients are filling the hospitals and emergency beds for all patients are running out. The testing regime is under pressure.
It's a panic, a real panic. It's stressful. And the doctor's website tells me there's nothing until the end of September.
The World Health Organization is shocked by what it's seeing. The number of new cases in Europe is now higher than it was during the peak of the pandemic in March. Last week, the region's weekly tally exceeded 300,000 patients, with Spain and France recording the worst results. The UK is on track to follow the continent into a disastrous second wave, and its testing system too is not coping.
I've been trying online every hour, on the hour, for 4 days, and I finally got an appointment last night.
The British government's now banned socialising for 2 million people in 7 areas in the northeast of England, where the case numbers are 3 times the national average.
We agree with the local councils that we must follow the data and act, and the data says that we must act now.
Introducing a second national lockdown would be devastating for the UK economy that's already in recession. And Boris Johnson says he just won't do it. Instead, the British government is putting the onus back on the people with a message: if they want to save Christmas, they need to stick to the rules.
There's not long left to turn things around. Samantha Hawley, ABC News, London.